Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Meeting Notes tracker for Google Sheets. This template helps you organize meeting notes, track attendees, monitor action items, and measure meeting performance through an automated dashboard. Let's take a quick tour of the template. We'll start with the dashboard. The dashboard automatically summarizes information across all meeting records and provides key performance indicators, including total meetings, average meeting duration, average attendance percentage, agenda completion percentage, overdue actions, action completion percentage, and open actions. You'll also find visual charts that help you analyze attendance, agenda progress, and action item performance across your meetings. The dashboard also includes quick links that allow you to jump directly to any meeting tab. Before recording meetings, let's look at the Settings tab. Here you can customize the tracker to fit your workflow by setting default meeting titles, meeting objectives, default agendas, default action items, location drop-down lists, participant lists. These settings help speed up data entry and ensure consistency across all meetings. The template includes 12 meeting notes tabs, labeled M1 through M12. Each tab is designed to capture everything related to a meeting in one place. First, enter or edit your meeting details, including selecting the location and editing the title and objective. Next, double-click the date field to select the date and enter start time and end time using the drop-down menus. In the Participants section, select attendees and indicate their attendance status from the available drop-down lists. Then move to the Agenda section to review, complete, or edit the agenda items to be discussed during the meeting, including the scheduled start time and presenter for each item. As the meeting progresses, update the agenda status to indicate whether each item was covered or not by simply ticking the checkbox. The Notes area allows you to document discussion points, decisions, updates, and other important information. Finally, use the Action Items section to assign tasks, set due dates, and monitor progress. Return to the meeting note and update the status of each action item by ticking the checkbox for completed items. As action items are completed or become overdue, the dashboard updates automatically. You will also notice a convenient back to dashboard link that makes navigation quick and easy. One of the unique features of this template is the QS Tools menu. Instead of opening individual meeting tabs to print reports, simply open our exclusive QS Tools menu. Select Print Meeting Notes. Choose the meeting you want to print. Click Generate Print Preview. Open the generated preview. A print-ready version of the meeting will open, and a copy will also be saved to your Downloads folder. You can then print the report or save it for sharing and record keeping. And that's it. The Meeting Notes tracker helps you document meetings, track action items, monitor performance, and generate reports, all within one template. If you would like to learn more or get your own copy, check the product link in the description below. Thanks for watching.